Hello students, I'm your music teacher Nilesh and I'm going to continue with our previous lesson, Introduction to Staff Notations. So I've made little changes here in the previous diagram. Now let us focus what changes I've made here. So first change, as you can see, I've put a 4 by 4 sign before the treble clef symbol. And same I did with this bass clef symbol. I put this 4 by 4 sign. So if any one of you know what is 4 by 4, why did I put it here? Let me help you with this. These are actually the time stamping because this represents the beat. How many beats you are going to, in how many beats you are going to play a particular music. So music is always played on the countings like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is not necessary that on each counting we play the tune. Sometimes we have to skip one particular beat and then we jump to another beat. For that, let us understand what are the whole notes, half note and quarter notes. So if we talk about whole notes, what we usually do, we only play the tune on the first beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4. We only sustain the tune. We don't play it on 2, 3, 4. Okay? We continue with, like, we play the tune on first part, tang, and it will continue till 2, 3, 4. So 10, 2, 3, 4. The tune will continue till the 4 beats. But once we switch to half note, what we usually do, let us focus here. We will play the first note 1, then we won't play the tune on the second beat. We will simply skip the second beat. And then we'll jump to the third beat, we'll play it on third beat and we won't play on the fourth beat. We'll skip the fourth beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how we play it on the half notes. We play the half notes like this. In the same way, we have the quarter notes. And how do we play quarter notes? We play quarter notes on each beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 10, 10, 10, 10. On each beat, we are playing the notes. And here, tang, tang means we are sustaining the note for the second beat. In the same way, when we play the third note, we are sustaining it till the fourth beat. Now, let us focus it here. So I'm making some room here so that I can put a 4 by 4 sign before the staff notations. Now see, the same way I'm using this 4 by 4 and 4 by 4. So 4 means, the upper 4 means here we'll mark it, we'll divide these staff notations in 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will happen? I'm simply removing the notes which I put earlier. Okay, we'll discuss it further in some other video. As of now, we don't need it, so I'm just removing it. What we need is to discuss how we can put the notes in time stamping. Okay, so we have these lines, we still have these lines, and what we need to do is to put the notes according to time stamping. So what I'll do, I'll put 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these all are the quarter notes. Okay, I'm putting the quarter notes here. See this, I'm putting the quarter notes. Okay, these all are the quarter notes. So here we will play each note in each beat. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll play on each beat each note. The same way I'm putting more quarter notes here. 2, 3 and 4. So at most in one block we can play 4 beats. So this is one block, this is also one block. So there are two blocks, one block and two blocks. So in the second block we also can play 4 beats. The same way in the third block I'm going to play 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same way 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are also the 4 beats. So upper 4 means in one block you are playing the 4 beats, and lower 4 means one block, two block, three block, four block. So total there are 4 blocks. We call them measures. We call them measures. 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 Okay. So these are called measures. So one measure, second measure, third measure and fourth measure. Okay. Your question for today is, what is 4 by 4? I have explained this in video. Now make a video yourself and send it to me and tell me what is 4 by 4 sign. So students, I'll be waiting for your responses. If you did not understand what I explained in this video, just talk to me, just clear your doubts. I'll be there. Have a great day.